Okay, this is John again. This is a quick one on how to further modify your character, adding some equipment, changing some statistics, and making sure that you've got all the tools you need to further modify your character. Okay, so we're going to go back to the game, the Rise of Tiamat. I'm going to open up Simi. And a couple of things you'll notice, I haven't updated our equipment yet. So let's go and show how you can add or remove and change some equipment. This is one of the cool things I really like about Roll20. It'll automatically know if you've got a conflict. I'll show you what I mean. So I have leather armor. This is the first level stuff that I had, but there's a lot more that I actually want to add. I'm going to add some studded leather armor. Now, the great thing is you can just go to this compendium on the top right, and you can go and type in, let's type in studded. Okay, so I've added studded leather armor as I've adventured. I'm just going to drag and drop this over here, accepting drop from compendium, and the little warning pops up. It means the AC is not incorrect. I think that's misnomer. So I've got leather armor and I've got studded leather armor, and if I click on this little button here, it says that that's equipped. I also go to the studded leather armor, and it says that's equipped as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unequip the leather armor, and then you see that the error went away, and my armor class has gone from 15 to 16, which is almost correct. I'm actually going to get rid of this leather armor. I don't need that leather armor anymore, and to remove one of the items here, or any of the items in this the character sheet, you actually click on this little lock button, then you can remove your leather armor, and that got removed. Great. Then go back, and it's locked. So I've now got studded leather armor. Fantastic. That's what I wanted. Okay, so my armor class is 16. You can do this for whatever items you want. I'll show you what I've also got, and our DM knows very well. Ring of Protection. Let's find that Ring of Protection. Let's drag and drop that over to our items. There's my Ring of Protection, and my AC went up to 17. What also happened? My saving throws have increased to the right number. They've all got +1 to them now. Fantastic. So I've just upgraded my armor. I've added a Ring of Protection, and if I go to my, I've got 265 gold. I can go change my platinum. I've got how many? Sorry, that's wrong. That's totally wrong. Sorry, I've got 175 gold, and you can go and modify what you need to. I think it's 20 platinum, 10 EP, which nobody uses, 275 silver pieces, and 100 copper, 100 pennies. Great. Okay, so there you've just added you can add your coinage here. Other things I've already told you about how you can modify these. What I also wanted to show you was if I go to my bio, I have nothing under the character backstory, but I want to edit that. What I can also do, I've just cut and paste. If you go into you've got your background in PDF or a text file or something. I'm actually not showing this properly, but I've now gone and cut. And I'm going to paste this into here as plain text. And there's my bio and everything about Simi. I didn't type it in manually. I can just cut and paste it from other applications. Cool. Character appearance you don't really need because we already have that. We've already got pictures. And if you do really want to go change the picture, go ahead. You can change your avatar here. For all the characters for you guys in our group tomorrow, I've actually added those for you that our DM has been using for the past little while. So you should already have that. So now I've got a slightly updated, properly armor classed Simi. If I also want to, for whatever reason, I didn't do this right, I guess, my wisdom is actually 14. So I'm just going to go and modify that. And it gives me my proper bonus as well. So you can now see these are all correct. When we play, we can have inspiration. If DM gives us inspiration, we just simply click here, and now we've got it. We can use it. And I think that's it. We'll go things like death saves. If we need, you can go fill these in as you need to. If you want, you got temporary hit points. Go add those in as we get them from whatever buff it is. And again, if you need to go and add a weapon, please go and do so here. But first, look here in this compendium, and if I had let's say a short bow +1. Oops, maybe there's no short bow. Let's just look up short bow. Interesting. There should be a bow or something. Okay, anyway, there's a short bow. Oh, okay, so there's a short bow. If I want to add that, look at the short bow +1. There we go. So if I want to go add that, I can go add that. And not only is that now, it was added to my equipment, but you can see it knows it's a weapon. So we've added it to my my weapon here. It shows the attack bonus, damage bonus, etc., etc. So play around with that a little bit, you guys. Remember, if you make a mistake, if you add something like, oh no, why is this appearing? I call it oops. I call it my oops weapon. That's not right. That's not correct at all. Use this lock to delete things. All right. Okay, and that's it for now. We'll see you later.